pleasure of introducing Chris Larson, coach of the Ukiah Dolphin swim team, who will be presenting the Lee and Kathy Pantea Ukiah Dolphin Scholarship.
Hello, I'm Chris Larson, the Ukiah Dolphins lead coach. Of the 69 years of this team's existence, Lee Pantea coached 38 of those years. Lee's wife, Kathy, coached and supported the team alongside Coach Lee during this time. Many of you in this room were coached by Lee and Kathy. Lee and Kathy encouraged all their athletes to do well, not only in swimming, but also in academics. After Kathy passed away 3 years ago, many alumni members sent checks to the team in her honor. The Ukiah Dolphins board at that time decided to start a scholarship in both Lee and Kathy's name. Additional funds have been raised to keep this scholarship going for many years. I'm honored to present this year's two recipients, Aaliyah Johnson and Nick Larson.